racing on the Formula One track. This is New York for you. This is New York for you. Write both our names. This is exciting. We have never done this before. So what happened is we just purchased a ticket to go on the racetrack. So we'll be going on the racetrack where the Formula One and the NASCAR happens. So it's right here. There are 3 cars ahead of us and we are the 4th one. मेरे पीछे रेस ट्रैक है, आपको इस पे आवाज़ आ रही होगी. दिस इज़ जस्ट वन ऑफ एक्सपीरियंस जो कि आपको मिल सकता है. एंड वी आर टेकिंग आवर कार ऑन द रेस ट्रैक. सो लेट्स सी व्हाट हैपेंस. दिस इज़ द फर्स्ट टाइम आई विल बी ड्राइविंग ऑन द रेस ट्रैक. Little bit confused, but we'll see. We'll definitely enjoy it.
Get into a group one day, and just drive it like those guys.
Yeah. Puppy. So these are the cars going in the group. There's a truck, there's a Corvette, there's a Jeep, then there's an MDX, and then we have a Mustang GT. So a lot of nice cars going on the trail, on the track actually. So as you can see, there are cars on the track right now. So these are groups. This is a private group who has booked the track, और ये लोग इस पे ट्रैक पे रेसिंग कर रहे हैं. तो आप लोग प्राइवेट बुक कर सकते हैं इस ट्रैक को रेसिंग के लिए. और हम लोग जिस पे जा रहे हैं ये पब्लिक एंट्री है, जो कि वो दिन में मे बी 3-4 मरतबा यहाँ से लेके जाते हैं लोगों को. सो द प्रोसेस इज they'll have a car ahead of us and then we'll just follow that car. What it is to follow them?
Yeah, this is a car club. They're going real fast.
Right, okay.
This is a car club.
Right.
So yeah, it's 3.4 miles.
So they take you on and on. Wow.
Yeah, so we are right here.
Okay.
So yeah, it's a huge track.
So it'll be about 10 miles overall.
So, but yeah, this was Formula One from 1961 to 1980.
And why they changed it then?
Bills were not paid.
I see. Okay, okay. All right. So now it's NASCAR, right? So every year NASCAR comes here.
NASCAR owns the track. They own
Okay.
it.
They own it. Okay.
Yeah. But this is like a car club. They run it out for a lot of other things.
Okay.
So they have sports.
You don't
cars
mind me
and-
recording you, right?
No.
I'm sure if it was a Formula One for a long time.
It was 20 years, 21 years.
Okay. Not
What,
super
you don't
quick.
think the Jeep is going to go that fast? You don't think
Not as fast as they still. Jump, yeah. Catch up.
showing off?
You gotta find it again.
And they do it on purpose to show off?
Yeah, they discourage that though. They have had people wrecked doing this. Okay, but I think I can right now.
She's shy, eh?
Just on the stock bolts.
You're so pretty, you know that. She knows that.
Tell me that all the time.
Yeah, you know, she knows
I
that.
don't know what it means.
What?
But she's pretty.
All right, let's do it. Never been on the racetrack. Never have done racing since I've grown up. When we used to do it when we were young. So let's do it now.
Over 100 miles an hour.
All right. Hello.
What are we doing?
You're all right?
Let's do it.
All right, let's do it. I definitely have a little bit of heartbeat, but we'll try to keep up and we'll try to stay with them.
Here we enter the racetrack.
This is the racetrack. It was Formula One racetrack for 20 years, and now this is a racetrack for NASCAR.
Wow. And wow. Go on, Baba.
Okay, let's do it. These guys are going fast already.
You can do it.
Yeah, we can do it. We can definitely do it.
There's no police car behind. ये आपका नाटक हो गया।
ठीक हो गया?
ये फर्स्ट है। यहाँ से ब्रेक आना है।
यहाँ से स्टार्ट किया है।
ये first है।
All right, we're going for the last round.
Chalo, this is your last round
Yeah.
on the racetrack.
This is our last round on the racetrack. All right, here is the racetrack. Here is our car. Here's the driver. Here's the navigator who's making this video. We just finished 3 laps racing on the Formula 1 track. We just came out. गाड़ी जो है इसने जोर लगाया है और मैंने इसको जोर लगवाया है. It was good fun, although you know, this was the first time, so it's not that easy. You just go on the racetrack and just do it. So for a first one, it was awesome. Maybe next time we can do even better. और मेरी गाड़ी जो है इसकी ब्रेक्स जो है वो थोड़ी वो कर रही थी, शेक कर रही थी, and that really bothered me while I was on the track. ये देखें, ये जो दूसरी गाड़ियाँ हैं जो पहले यहाँ पे रेस में जा रही थी, ये वो हैं. Amazing fun. Look at that. Clouds coming. वो देखो. Racetrack just behind us. Fountains here, greenery here. Look at this. This is New York for you. This is New York for you. Wow.
Good job, Baba.
So क्या वो हम आए तो क्या वो कहता है कि ना शॉप है ना मैं तुम्हें अंदर, क्योंकि अंदर लोग चला रहे थे, ना अंदर जाने दे सकता हूँ, but you want to drive it on the racetrack. So I said how? Pay me $30 and I'll let you go in. And I said okay, let's do it. $30 and you on the racetrack.
Yep.
And you can have this much of fun. Oh my goodness.
You did 3 laps.
3 laps on the Formula 1 racetrack. Awesome.
Good job.
It was an amazing experience. I've never had this experience before. Oh my God. What a feeling. What adrenaline running when you're on the track and you're pumping the gas, and you know, the only thing is that हमारी जो brake है वो shake करने लगी, and that really made me upset or more confused कि जब आप गैस देते हैं वो ट्रैक ऊंचा नीचे है, उसमें 100 feet 200 feet का gain और drop आता है बीच में. But it was really good fun. I mean, once in a lifetime experience for me. This is the first time I'm on the racetrack, and imagine like 20 years this track was used for Formula 1.
Yep.
And not for NASCAR. I mean, that's one of the biggest races in Americas anyhow. So very nice. Mama, मजा आया तुम्हें मुझे डांटने के अलावा? हैं?
डांटा नहीं था.
मुझे कही जा रही है तेज चल तेज चल तेज चल, आगे टर्न आ रहे हैं, मेरी ब्रेक जो है वो शेक कर रही है गाड़ी, और
मैं तो आपको बकअप कर रही थी.
मुझे बैकअप कर रही है तेज और तेज चल और तेज चल, you know.
रेस कार
So-
ब्रेक नहीं लगाते.
So hats off to mama. कम बीवियां ऐसी होती हैं जो कि कह रही हैं छाल ला दे ला दे. मैं कुछ कर रहा हूँ, मैं कहती छाल ला दे, देखी जाएगी छाल ला दे, बढ़ जा वाटर वाले बढ़ जा छाल ला दे, you know.
आप पे ट्रस्ट है इसलिए मुझे पता है कि आपने क्या करना है, तो मैं ट्रस्ट के साथ कर रही हूँ.
So we had good fun. सारे दिन की हाइक के बाद then we had this one. हम बहुत tired थे honestly. हमने this was a very long day for us.
लेकिन ये
क्योंकि हम
relax
सुबह
हो
से
गया
निकले आज उठते ही, और हमने नाश्ता वाश्ता नहीं किया। हम पहले एक जगह हाइक पे गए हैं, फिर दूसरी जगह हाइक पे गए हैं, और तीसरी जगह हाइक पे गए हैं। एंड देन वी थॉट के इसको कैच कर लें, क्योंकि हमने कल वापस निकलना है और रास्ते में 2-3 स्टॉप्स हैं। तो आई थिंक वी मेड द राइट डिसीजन। 5 बजे बंद हो जाता है, बट ही लेट अस इन बिकॉज और 4 गाड़ियाँ आ गई थी। Don't forget to press the like button if you enjoyed the video, subscribe to the channel and share it with your friends and family. Thank you very much.